with another video. I know y'all missed me, but I am back and I am better. I know it's February now, but Happy New Year. 2021, we got out to a rough start, I can't lie, but as long as we're still breathing, we're still alive, that count for something, you know. We got another 24 hours, another day to do better and be better. So, but y'all, I missed y'all. What's good? What y'all been on? But as you guys can tell by the title, this is a small unboxing, Amazon unboxing video. I just got this package. I was on it. They sent me a notification to my email talking about my package was here, and I instantly went outside and got it. But yeah. So I'm just gonna get the opening this. We're not even gonna wait. But yeah, 2020 definitely got out to a rough start for me. That's why I haven't uploaded the first month. But I mean, I'm filming this in January at I think it's like the 27th or something. So I'm filming this, but it probably won't be up until February. But you guys, I got a lot of stuff planned for this year as far as videos and a whole bunch of other stuff. So we definitely going up, y'all. Road to 1K, we definitely going up. Y'all know all this stuff being here. I like to pop these, and I don't just like to pop them, I like to squeeze them until they pop. I ain't gonna do that though. But yeah, I didn't get much. It's pretty just much for business stuff, y'all. As y'all do know, I have a business, TNTTayy. I sell a couple of beauty accessories, and then I do resin art, ashtrays. I have rolling trays. I don't want to call them rolling trays because you could use them for different things other than rolling up. But yeah, these are not available on the site yet, but they will be. It's TNTTayy.com, by the way. But yeah, even though I don't need to be opening this, it's just this is the resin that I use to make my resin art. It's all kinds of different brands and stuff, but this is what I use. I'm gonna take both of them out. This is A, epoxy resin, A, and then this is B. It's by Duo. I'll leave a link to all of it in the comments just in case you're looking for resin. I definitely would recommend this resin because it works good for me. So other people use different resins. Some people get stuff. I don't know if they offer gallons of it, but I don't feel like I need all of that at this point, so I just get those. And this is the same thing. I went ahead and got 2 of them because usually I just get one at a time and wait, and then I'll have to make something, but I'll have to wait because I don't have it in. That just happened to me, so I'm like, let me go ahead and get it. And I also got some vinyl sticker paper. Usually, so yeah, I got a Cricut. I got a Cricut for Christmas, and I love it. Oh my gosh. And it really helps me with my business. But usually I get Cricut vinyl sticker paper, but I seen this and it was kind of on sale, so I'm like, it was like more of a bang for my buck. It's 20 sheets. The Cricut one, it only comes with 10 sheets, and it was like $8 or $9, and then this was just like $1 or $2 more, and it comes with 20 sheets. So I'm like, let me try this out because it was more of a deal. But yeah, that's just basically printable vinyl, like if you want to make stickers or something like that. Vinyl sticker paper. And then I got this rug, which I kind of thought was going to be a little bit bigger, but we gonna work it out. And I got this for pictures because I don't have if y'all see my pictures that I take for my photos, I usually just use I don't know if this gonna work. This is shedding like a mug. Maybe it's just that little first, when you first get it, it starts to shed, and then it's good. Hopefully, okay. But yeah, I got this to take pictures with, but it's gonna be in one place. I mean, I don't have any items that are bigger than this. So for the most part, I have few things, but nothing major. Like my main items, they'll all fit on here. Like this will fit on here and stuff like that. Just something to give it a little more oomph, I guess. And I see people using like a background like this all the time, and I love this, so I'm like, let me try. I've been looking for something like that for months. But yeah, and then the last thing I got is a Cricut Easy Press Mini. I wanted to get one of the bigger ones, but I'm like, let me try out the mini one first. So you guys pretty much know what you could do with this. You can make t-shirts. Well, probably not with this one, but you can make t-shirts. You can do custom masks. You can do a lot of custom clothing things and whatnot. So this is what I got this for, and I will also be using this for my business once I get the customizing up and running, which will probably be coming like, I don't know, in the springtime or something. I'm trying to do it as soon as possible, but I want to make sure that I can critique everything to where I want it to be before I release that and make that available. But yeah, and that's pretty much it for this video, you guys. I know it's a short video, but it's just something to, you know, get me started, get me back up and running as far as doing YouTube and posting videos. And I will explain more to you guys about what's to come this year in my next video, which will probably be uploaded probably 2 days after this video, because I'm telling y'all, we is dropping bangers for the rest of 2021. Like, y'all ain't gotta believe me right now, but y'all gonna see. Y'all gonna see. I promise y'all, I got y'all. We going up. TNT gang. And we out. I will see y'all guys. Y'all. I will see you guys in the next video. Like I told y'all, it'll be coming really, really soon. But yeah, be sure to like, comment, subscribe if you're not subscribed, and join the gang. And that's on period. But yeah, because we will be dropping bangers for the rest of 2021. We will. So hop on the team. Love you guys. Bye.